Good morning, children. As a part of mining and minerals, you are learning about the prestigious mines of India, that is SCCL, the very important and big coalfield limited in India, that is particularly in Telangana, that is SCCL. SCCL is Singareni Collieries Company Limited, extended over 4 districts of Khammam, Karimnagar, Adilabad and Warangal. Initially, this was operated by the British as its mining company around 1886. Later, it was purchased by the Nizam of Hyderabad and run by him around 1920. After India's independence, the government of India took it and it ran as a joint company owned by the government of India and the state government of Telangana. Now, SCCL is operating 15 open cast and 35 underground mines. Around 65,000 of people over Andhra Pradesh are employed here. As a part of the visit of the author of this lesson, he is explaining how the coal is mined and various steps of coal mining and how it is dangerous and what are the safety measures taken in this company. When the author and his friends entered into the mine, the safety officer is explaining how it is risky and prone to accidents. A tunnel sometimes may fall down or sometimes it is flooded by water and even it was caught by fire. When sometimes fire accidents supposed to be happened in the mine and it leads to suffocation and release of lot of poisonous gases. The safety officer explained that nowadays all this administration has developed elaborately and a lot of safety arrangements have been made and prevent to such accidents which were happened in previous days. The safety officer explained how to face such accidents with the help of the safety kit. Look at the safety kit here. Lot of this kind of tools are called part of safety kit and they prevent the workers from accidents. The author and the other people, they took the lift which carries the people in and out of the mine. The lift in charge, who was the person who is called as the lift in charge, he closed the sides and gave signal to the underground lift operator by ringing a bell using a code. Here is the code of the lift, how they are using the code for operating the lift. The lift went down about 500 feet below the ground level. All the people were gripped by fear as the lift is rapidly sliding down and they also heard some water falling somewhere. The safety officer explained that it is the groundwater and when the coal is dug, they also find water. They have to pump the water outside, otherwise the water will flood out the mine tunnels. SCCL company has a project and planning wing which takes care of the designing of all the aspects of mines. While the people are walking there inside the mine, they noticed electric lines, hose pipes carrying water and a narrow rail track. When the coal is mined, it is loaded onto small wagons which are pulled on these rails till the lift from where it is taken to the ground level. So, here are the rail tracks and wagons. They are all carrying the mining coal to the lift where particularly they are stopped in the underground level. Then the author and the other people, they entered to the coal layer which is called as coal seam, and they looked everywhere is the coal. There was coal on both sides and even below and above. The author and the other people were surprised to see the walls of the mines, they are very bright but not in black color. Of course, it is everyone's surprise to hear even how the black coal mine is so bright. Then the guide explained it is because of painting of dolomite. So it is also, we were also surprised to hear that the coal mine is colored with dolomite, or it was painted with dolomite. Why this dolomite was painted on the coal layer? Dolomite painting prevents oxidation and degradation of coal. It enhances the reflection and gives us light. Those who are going inside, they will get light because of this dolomite painting. And even this dolomite painting prevent oxidation, which prickle or break the coal. It also prevent the degradation or deterioration of coal. By that, the painting of dolomite safeguard the quality of the coal. Now we have to learn about how the coal is blasted and how it was mined. A drilling area of the coal is called face. The coal drilling area is called face, F-A-C-E, face. The supervisors inspect the coal face or seam and give instructions for that day's mining. Different group of people are assigned different tasks or works here. One group was drilling holes. The other people, they will plant explosive rods, and other people, they inserted or keep inside resin packets of blasting material. These explosives will be set off by an electric devices which is called as detonators. Strong rock like coal is broken in this manner. So, very strong coal is made into pieces by detonators, which are the electric devices. They will cut the rocks into small pieces. This process of making coal into small pieces is called as blasting. So, for blasting of coal, detonators are the devices useful. How is coal mining? As coal mining is done underground, it is hazardous or a dangerous process. Sometimes the blast can bring down the entire mine face, causing death of miners. Miners are the people, those who are mining, and it is therefore done with a very careful and lot of calculation and caution. Another group of miners are arranging wooden and iron support to the support of the roof so that it may not fall down on the heads of the miners. They are ready with flexible motors known as drilling machines, which would be used to cut the coal and even in blasting. So some of the people, they are ready with wooden and iron supporters to prevent the falling of the roofs, and they are also having some machines in their hands. They are called drilling machines, and these drilling machines help in coal mining. Walked over the coal which has fallen in the explosion using their rods to inspect the place from where the coal has fallen. At one spot, the roof was so weak, it was supported with wooden beams and posts. Then the question comes, how this mined coal was transported. In the mine, the coal is transported through conveyor belts. Earlier, miners had physically loaded the coal into small wagons which carried the coal. Now dumper machines are loading the coal into conveyor belts which carry coal to the ground level. In the earlier days when technology was not developed, all this transportation of coal was done by the people physically, but now as the technology was more, people are using dumper machines. These dumper machines are loading the coal onto the conveyor belts. Through the conveyor belts, the coal is transported to the ground level. When the coal reaches the ground level, it was loaded into trucks and even in railway wagons. The coal before the transportation was graded according to its size and quality. Singareni Colliery Company Limited is supplying coal to the thermal power plants which are run by the Government of India. Lot of coal was even purchased by the other companies from Singareni Company Limited. In this way, Singareni Company Limited was doing a very good business of coal, and it was supporting nearly 65,000 of workers around India.